Shimoga constituency has taken dramatic turns ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, and children of two former Chief Ministers are contesting the seat along with a former Deputy Chief Minister. With approximately 15.62 lakh voters, Shimoga has been a bastion of the BJP lately, historically represented by former Karnataka Chief Minister BS Yediyurappa. The constituency comprises 7 assembly segments in Shimoga district and 1 in Udupi district. In the 2019 elections, BJP's Raghavendra won the seat. Shimoga has a significant population of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and Lingayats. In the upcoming elections, BJP has nominated BY Raghavendra, who is the son of former Chief Minister BS Yediyurappa, while Congress has fielded Geetha Shivarajkumar. Additionally, former Deputy Chief Minister and senior BJP leader KS Eshwarappa is contesting as an independent candidate. Eshwarappa's rebellion against the BJP stemmed from the party's decision to deny his son E Kantesh a ticket from the Haveri Lok Sabha seat. Raghavendra, the incumbent MP, has represented the constituency thrice. Geetha Shivarajkumar is the daughter of late former Chief Minister BS Bangarappa and wife of Kannada superstar Dr. Shivarajkumar. While Raghavendra hails from the Lingayat community, Geetha belongs to the Ediga community and Eshwarappa is from the Kuruba community. Shimoga faces a range of issues from developmental concerns to environmental challenges. The constituency is set to vote on May 7th in Phase 3 of the elections, with results expected on June 4th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.